in 2017. From there onward, I never got an opportunity to put myself in a business or in an environment where I can test my skills. Recently I got recommended by one of my friends to join Mitz, and they are providing the internship program. So I accredited myself with this organization Mitz, where I started from zero. Uh, right now, I'm doing an SEO internship. It's a search engine optimization internship that has been provided free of cost to me. I know some of the organizations they charge you for these kind of internships, but this Mitz is providing you the free internship. I really want to appreciate the efforts of Mr. Huzaifa, who's been learning, who's been providing us all the skills. He's mentoring us. I really appreciate him. I really give him the credit that I started from zero. Now I can call myself an SEO expert, and I really appreciate his efforts, the efforts of Mitz, Mr. Wajid sir. I have been here for like a month or so, and I think I can call myself now an SEO expert. Credit goes to Mr. Huzaifa and Mr. Wajid sir. I really thank you from the core of my heart. Working here has been like working with your friends. It's not the environment that you expect from other organizations where you've been commanded to do such things. No, you're free. You can do whatever you want to do. You're never going to have such an oppression. Like you're never gonna feel like they are just like giving you a bath. They are like providing us with every I don't know how to put it into the words, but I really want to thank Mr. Huzaifa for giving me this opportunity, and SEO team. Thanks to Mr. Nabil, and Mr. Iftikhar. They have supported me as a team. The teamwork is the key to success, and this team, under the supervision of Mr. Huzaifa, I really thank you, sir. I really thank you.